Korčula town, nestled on the stunning island of Korčula, is a place of rich history, legends and traditions. A place where an enchanting spectacle awaits you, traditional dance with swords. This unique gem is specific to this Croatian island, serving as a vibrant showcase of its rich and storied heritage. Korčula town, with its origins dating back to ancient Greece, derives its name from the word korkia, signifying place through the rocks. Encircled by sturdy walls, the old town boasts a unique street layout, resembling a fishbone, preserving age-old yet exquisite traditions. Moreška is an ancient Korčula sword dance. Dancers perform 7 different dances with swords, which play out the story of clash between 2 kings for the love of a Bula maiden. The Bula maiden is in love with one of the kings, but the other king is jealous, so he captures and chains her. The 2 kings and their armies battle each other in a series of clashes, which are played out as a mixture of dances with various rhythms. One side is eventually surrounded and defeated, while the other one is able to rescue the Bula maiden. Let's hear a bit more about it from the now retired Moreška dancer.
Moreška je mačevalački ples, za kojega prvi dokumenat imamo iz 1666. godine, u kojemu se govori kako su izvođači Moreške se izrugivali uglednim korčulanskim građanima, koji su ih onda tužili knezu. A onda je knez donio odluku da u stvari ovi nemaju što se puno žaliti, da je onako bilo vrijeme od karnevala i da je to bilo normalno da su i malo pjani i da se nemaju ni što puno iditi i ovi su prošli nekažnjeno. Dakle, to je prvi dokument koji postoji o spomenu Moreške, ovako parafrazirao sam sve te stvari, jel?
The Moreška dance has a rich history. In most of the Mediterranean, it survived until the end of the 18th century, but is still performed in Dalmatia. It is certainly one of the oldest traditional European dances still performed.
Osim Korčule u Dalmaciji je Moreška postojala u Splitu, u Zadru, u Dubrovniku, mislim čak i u Šibeniku. Jedino naša se održala do danas. Prije Drugog svjetskog rata u Korčuli boravi Krsto Odak, hrvatski kompozitor, napisao jednu verziju nove glazbe za Morešku i tako je nastala današnja glazba na kojoj se izvodi Moreška.
Today, Korčula is one of the only places where the dance is performed with real swords.
In its original war dance form, and where it has enjoyed a proud and almost unbroken tradition for over 4 centuries. Nowadays, it is an exclusive society or a club of its own. Every family in Korčula is proud to have one of its members dance in Moreška, especially one of the key roles which demand considerable talent and stamina.
Nošnje koje se danas upotrebljavaju, one su de facto od samog početka Moreške. Taj gambeson, to je u biti odijelo, tunika koja se navlačila preko košulje, a preko nje se navlači oklop. Imamo isto tako i nožne štitnike, imamo hlače koje se nosu ispod suknje, a suknja je u biti dio toga gambesona koji je u gornjem dijelu. Znači onda imamo kapu koja je napravljena od relativno mekog materijala, ali služi tome da bi se ublažili udarci ako bi neko slučajno nekoga udri po glavi, da mu ne razbije glavu, nego da ga onako malo sačuva.
When kings decide to retire, they are allowed to keep their crowns. These become very valuable family possessions over time. The Moreška is performed much more frequently in the recent years, especially during the summer season, every Monday and Thursday. So if you're visiting,
make sure to buy a ticket on time and enjoy one of the oldest traditional sword dance fights in the world.